It's from Star Cinema. It's a family movie. I know you're going to be able to relate to it because it's very timely. And I was supposed to start filming 2 months ago, so we're still delayed, but because we chose to have a late date just to make sure that the film, will pass the standard of, the international market. So please pray for us, and we hope to give you something that is worth your time watching, and please spread the word because, let's face the fact that, medyo namamatay na yung sine. Nanonood ba kayo ng sine? You guys, salamat kasi pag hindi na kinamit ng sine, wala na akong trabaho. I have a couple of films coming out, but this next movie I'm doing, it's going to be out, I think, in November, so we're going to be back here in Cali, and we're going to be touring, and of course we're representing the Philippines, so we need your support, we need your presence para, of course, bubuhay pa rin ang industriyang pelikula Pilipino. And, I got it? There you go. Okay, this is another song from, actually, Ray Valera. It's the same title. Same title, the same song. 2007 though. So yung mga kinakanta ko, mga luma naman nila. Parang, I know you guys do a lot of karaoke, do a lot of singing. So please sing along with me for this song. This is one of my favorite songs of all time. And one of the best songs ever written dito sa song. Ano ba bang popular song ni Ray Valera? Marami, no? Pero this one stands out, no? The best, no? Ano yung last hit ni Ray Valera? Take Me Away. Anyway, alright, let me sing the song for you guys. This is the first time I'm actually singing this in a while. For a while now. I'd like to greet my tita. Rana, ba si Tita Belen? Hi tita! Hi tita, my mom's sister Tita Belen. I love you tita. I miss you so much. Love you, I'll see you in a bit. Para sa ito tita. May na pa ako mayat na ngayon, hindi ko alam kung bakit. May nga tissue. I think emotional ako today. Can you wipe the tear off? Let's go. Kaya mo to. Last few songs pa.